just a thing of beauty. It's just a thing of beauty. It's just a thing of beauty. Let's get lost in this wonderland. See it all, we don't need a plan.
Simple, innovative skincare by Just Claire. Try Just Claire.
Do you wanna see a very satisfying face hair removal today? Let's go! Here I'm using the face oil. And the combo comes with 9 razors too, which is amazing and fits really well on my makeup bag. And look this! Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. I didn't notice how much hair I have on my face. I'm usually a very clumsy person, but this razor is very safe. I didn't have any problems cutting myself or anything. And I'm so glad because now I don't need to use the wax anymore because it was so painful. That's it for today. Bye bye!
All right, here's my review on these. This is my 3rd pack. They come perfect. Not had a problem since. And I get about 3 uses. I typically use them on my face, my neck, my mustache area, my eyebrows, even the back of my neck hairs. So I would say you get your money's worth. You can see I have some laying here because, gosh, they just last and last. No light is needed. They have a perfect angle. You can get into your eyebrows the way you need to. I've never burnt myself on these. These are easy to use. I use them whether my face is clean or dirty. It doesn't matter. It works. It's effective and it's affordable. Love them.
They are already squatters on Senor Medina's land.